Hey tutors, this is week 1 Science Explained. Since I messed up and I printed the wrong experiment, I'm going to provide you with both. You probably have enough time to do both. So, for the one that I talked about in our tutor meeting, you will start off with 2 note cards per kid. So each kid will get a note card. Let me flip this over. No, can't flip that over for the darker side. Here are 2 note cards. On one note card, you're going to draw a bird cage. And mine is simply going to be like this, with a little bit of a rounded bottom. I'm going to draw some chains so it looks like the old Tweety Bird one attached to the ceiling. And I'm going to just draw some lines going down. There is my cage, okay? On my other one, I'm giving each of you a sheet of owl stickers. So I'm going to put my little owl right in the middle of my other note card. Now, when I'm holding these up, I'm going to stick them back to back. But I want to make sure that no matter how I'm looking at it, that it is the right way up. So you see how that's upside down? So I'm actually going to make sure that I flip one upside down and one right side up. So that if I'm looking at it, well, if I'm looking at it this way, then it's always right side up. Does that make sense? Once I have that, I'm going to take just a little strip of tape and I'm going to tape it together on the bottom, and I'm going to do the same thing for the top. There you go. I'm going to stick it to the top. And so I have a cage on one side and an owl on the other. Okay. Next, I have my hole puncher, and I'm just going to hole punch on both sides. It's okay if it goes into your, into your cage. That's fine. Okay. Then you're going to take 2 rubber bands, and you're going to thread it through. And then carefully, without ripping the note cards, just make sure that it is like that, tight enough to stay on its own. I'm going to loop the other one through. Pull it through. Same thing, make sure it's tight enough to stand on its own. Yeah, I have to do this a little tighter. Okay, so once I've created it, I'm going to stick my middle fingers through the rubber band. That's how I did it. And then I'm going to use my pincher claws, you can tell the kids, to wind up. Wind, 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 wind. And you're going to wind it as much as you can. And then you're going to pull it and let it go, and it looks like the owl is in the cage. There you go. So that is the one that was not explained.